You for joining us today. Before we begin, please take a moment to like and share this presentation so that many people can benefit from this valuable health information. My name is Selvarani Muthiah. I am presenting the seminar topic, What if everything you know about health is wrong? Another one more topic, the Body Intelligence Masterclass program under Bishrup International Healing and Research Malaysia and HRD Corp registered training provider. Today, we invite you to explore a new perspective on health and wellness. Please stay with us until the end and help us spread this valuable knowledge to more people. Your body is not the problem. Your body is the solution. Most of us have been taught to think of the body as the problem whenever symptoms appear. But what if the body is not the problem? What if the body is actually trying to protect, heal, and restore itself? The body is working for us every second of every day. Understanding this principle is the first step towards understanding body intelligence. What if everything you know about health is wrong? This title may sound surprising. However, throughout history, many accepted beliefs have changed as new knowledge emerged. What if some of our current beliefs about health are incomplete? What if our body possesses an extraordinary intelligence that we have not fully understood? This program encourages us to ask questions, think critically, and explore new possibilities for health and well-being. This program is inspired by the teachings and research of Dr. Bishrup Roy Chowdhury, an internationally known health educator and HRDF Corp certified trainer. His mission is to empower people with knowledge about lifestyle, nutrition, and the body's natural ability to maintain health. These books represent years of study, research, and practical experience. They encourage readers to explore health from different perspectives and to become active participants in their own wellness journey. Knowledge is power, and learning is the first step towards transformation. Welcome to the Body Intelligence